Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can wipe cache partition on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, we're gonna enter the recovery mode and we will need to use the USB cable. We need to plug our Samsung to a PC or a laptop. So first I'm gonna plug the USB cable in. And now we need to turn off our device. Sorry, not settings. We have the power button over here as well. Power off, and now let's wait for the device to turn off. Once it is off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button. So press and hold both of these buttons at the same time until we will see the recovery mode. There we go. So now over here, if you scroll down using the volume down button, then eventually you will go to wipe cache partition. So now you can confirm the action by pressing the power button one more time, and then you need to confirm that you want to do this. Of course, you navigate with volume up and down once again. So if you select no, then you will go back to the previous menu. And if you want to exit, then you need to unplug the USB cable, and then you can choose, for instance, reboot system now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.